Hey guys, Rock Solid Passion here, and we've got mail. Open it up. I know what it is. I've been expecting it. I'm super excited. Voila. What is it? Rings? Well, they're certainly not O-rings. Not serpentine belts. They are tumbler belts. My tumbler here. Got it for my birthday in December. Put a load of rocks on. 24 hours later, I check it like it said to do. Belt broke. Okay. New belt. Put it all back on there. Even after weighing everything on the scale, doing 3 pounds exactly, everything to the T with the instructions, and 48 hours later, belt breaks again. So, I think I had some defaulty belts. There's no way you could just go through the instructions and do them exactly right, and it happened twice in a row. So, I've got my tumbler partially loaded. I have some more things here that I'm going to put in. I tried to go with similar rocks and similar sizes. Some are kind of pre-tumbled from the creek. And I figured that way it'll get them all to the same. That's one I had cut. Get them all to the same texture, size, grit, all the good stuff. These little guys. So yeah, wish me luck, and I will keep you updated on how it goes. Hopefully I don't break a belt in the next 24 hours or the next 48 hours. Some of these are really cool. Like I love this one, that red with that band going all the way through it. That one is a wish rock. The continuous band. This one is going to be so pretty. It's a piece of chert or jasper. I think it might be jasper because I see red, orange, and what looks like could be some banding and pattern hiding under there. See that? Under the white. It's holding some secrets, and we're going to unlock them. And then a couple of these little guys with just like some quartz on it, just because I'm curious to see how they'll turn out. And this one, and this one, I think might be wood. Could just be sandstone, I don't know. Didn't feel like sandstone. It's not soft. Oh yeah, this one. This one I think is a jasper agate. Or it could just be some white chalcedony going through there. I mean, quartz. So, like I said, wish me luck, fingers crossed, and I will keep you updated.